Do you want to fix bare spots in your lawn fast and easy? This is how I do it. First, I scuff up the area with a hand garden rake. Then I poke holes in the dirt for the grass seeds to fall into to ensure good, even coverage. For fast, quick, easy germination, I like to use Scott's Perennial ryegrass. It has a special protective layer that helps keep water in, that aids with the germination of your seed. When you spread your seed, make sure you spread it evenly and then lightly apply an organic fertilizer such as malorganite. After you're done spreading your seed, lightly rake so most of the grass seed is sitting just under the soil. After I'm done raking, I like to add a thin layer of shredded newspaper to help hold in moisture and aid in the seed germination. Once I'm done laying down my shredded newspaper, I like to lightly water it in for 2 minutes. Guys, I'm happy I helped you with your lawn journey. If you found any value in this video, consider subscribing, hit that like button, and drop a comment below and let me know how your seeding project went. And with that, I'm George from Princess Cuts. I hope you have a wonderful day.